Hello, hello, I'm Zaheer. Today our poem is about rain and summer. आज का जो हमारा आज का जो हमारा पोएम है, लेसन पोएम है, वो रेन के बारे में है. द पोएम इज अबाउट रेन एंड समर. बारिश तो आप जानते हैं कभी कभी होता है. Summer, rain and summer. Now I want to start the poem. Please ready. Please be ready. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. How beautiful is the rain after dust and heat in the broad street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roof. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramps of hoops. How it gushes and struggles out from the overflying spout across the window pane. Across the window pane it pour and swept and wide with the muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. It is art by H.W. Longfellow. Thanks for listening my video. When you like and my video, also I have many other poems. They are about I have also many poems or other topics or any motivational video. You can subscribe on my channel. You what is the when I do a mistake or anything, you can give comments on my channel, comment on my videos, because sometime many person do कभी कभी कभार लोग गलती करते हैं अपने वीडियोस में, लेकिन कमेंट्स आप किसी के भी दिल में गलत कमेंट आए तो आई एक्सेप्ट. राइट कमेंट आई एक्सेप्ट और बैड कमेंट और रॉन्ग कमेंट आई एक्सेप्ट.